Pause. Sometimes a single thought can pull down your entire day, but if you shift it just slightly, a new perspective opens. A new feeling appears. Today's practice is a short mental reset. Start by recalling a thought that weighs on you. Something like, I can't handle this. I ruined everything again. I'm falling behind. Now, pause and turn the thought. Ask yourself, what strength is hidden in this? What is this trying to teach me? What new choice can I make here? Let the answer be real, not sugar-coated, but supportive, anchoring. Now, formulate a new version of the thought, one that feels honest but gives you space to breathe. For example, I'm overwhelmed, but I'm learning to ask for help. Or, I made a mistake, and I'm willing to face it and grow. Notice how your body feels when you say this. Notice what happens to your breath, to your inner posture. Thoughts are not fixed. They're not stone. They're maps, and maps can be redrawn. When we change the way we see, we change the way we feel, and that changes everything. Hold on to your new thought for the rest of the day. Let it be your quiet support, something to return to when the old voice comes back. If this helped, share it in the comments. Want to keep going daily? Subscribe. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.